Good morning, dear students. How are you? Today we will discuss RDE Worksheet 53 from your chapter Heredity and Evolution. And today we will discuss sex determination in human beings. As you know, heredity played an important role in the determining of various characteristics in humans, like color of iris as well as the attachment of earlobe. One of the such characteristics is sex determination, in which you will come to know that a woman how a woman will give birth to a male or female child is also depend upon the hereditary. Okay, as we have already discussed that human have 23 pairs of chromosome, that means the total 46 chromosomes we have, means 23 pairs is equal to 46 chromosomes, right? We will get one chromosome in which 22 chromosome form the body. They are called as the autosomes, which form the complete body structure, and one is sex chromosome that determine the sex of a child, whether it's a male or female. In case of male, the chromosome is X and Y. In case of female, it is X and X. Okay, so we get chromosome in each pair, from one from mother and one from father. All pairs of human beings are perfect pair except the pair of the sex chromosome in the human males. Beta, all chromosomes are this almost same, but in case of males, one sex chromosome is smaller than the other one. I'll show you. See this picture. This is the chromosome of female, that X and X, they both are similar, but this is male. See this Y chromosome, this is it is little bit smaller than other one. So what we have, that is, all pair of human chromosomes are perfect pair except one pair of sex chromosome in the human male. As I told you, it is smaller one. Women have a perfect pair of sex chromosome, both called X and X. And but the men have a mismatched pair in which one of a normal size is X, and while the other is shorter one called Y. So woman has X and X, and man has X and Y chromosome, right? So during zygote formation, a child always get X chromosome from the mother, but the sex of a child is determined by the chromosome inherited by the father. I will show you how. See, this is X and X, female. This is X and Y, male. These are the gametes. Okay, these are gametes. And when fertilization is there, during fertilization, this X, if bind to this, going to combine with this X, it will form X and X. This X going to this Y, form X and Y. This will go to X and X, form X and X, and this X and Y. So like this way, this is female, this is male, this is female, and this is male. So the chances of male and female is almost 50-50% in this case. Okay, so during the zygote formation, a child always get sex chromosome from mother. Mother has only sex chromosome, so mother contribute only X chromosome, but the sex of a child is determined by the chromosome inherited by the father, because father has X and Y. If this X combine with this either of these two, it will form girl. If this Y combine either of these two, it will form boy. Okay, so likewise, this way a child who is inherited as an X chromosome from her father will be a girl, and who inherited Y chromosome from will be a boy. So let's try to complete this figure. We have, see, I'll show you. See this, female XX, male Y. These are gametes. When this combined with this form X, when this combined with this form Y, this combined with this X, and this combined with this form boy. Okay, so I have already discussed about this. So again we have see, this is female, this is male, this is, we have, they have missed Y, X and X, this is girl. Okay, when it is combined, this combined with form boy, this X and Y combined with form boy, and this combined to form girl. So there are equal chances of being a boy or baby or a girl baby, and the sex of the child depends solely on the chromosome based to the child by the father. Okay, whatever the chromosome is coming from the father, the sex of the child is determined by that. Some interesting fact: in a few reptiles, the temperature at which the fertilization of the egg are kept determine whether the animal developing in the egg will be a male or female, right? The outside temperature that determine whether the animal developed in the egg is male or female. If the temperature required more, if a high temperature is required, then it is a female. If less temperature is required, then it is a male. Okay, in some animals such as snails, individual can change the sex, and indicating that sex is not always genetically determined. Okay, this is exception, bache. So let's do practice exercise, which is very small and easy. In human, female sex chromosome are represented by X and X, and XY represent the sex chromosome of female. Okay, how does sex determination occur? Explain with the help of diagram. You have to write all these. Okay, till here. Things how I now know and understand about sex determination, that you can write the answer. This is the second question. This is first, I have already written. Okay, third, things I now know and understand about sex determination, that there are equal chances of child being boy or girl, and the sex of the child depends solely on the chromosome of father and not the mother. So mother is not responsible at all of uh, being given birth to a child, to a boy baby or a girl baby. Okay, and this is an question which is, things I further want to know about the sex determination. You can write your own. So this is all about your worksheet. I hope you understand it. So do like, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel, and please watch this video till end to do all these question answer, as well as do more practice related to this worksheet. Thank you bache, take care.